Which of the following states of matter has a definite volume but takes the shape of its container? A. Solid. B. Liquid. C. Gas. D. Plasma. So correct answer for question number 30 is B, that is liquid. Next question is, what is the SI unit of density? Kilogram per cubic meter, Newton per square meter, Pascal or gram per liter? Correct answer for question number 31 is A, that is kilogram per cubic meter. Next, which property of matter describes its resistance to flow? Options are viscosity, density, elasticity or volume. Correct answer is A, that is viscosity. What is the process by which a substance changes from a solid to a liquid state? So correct answer for question number 33 is B, that is melting. Which of the following statements about pressure is correct? We have four different options and correct answer is B. Pressure is inversely proportional to the area over which the force is applied. Next question is 35. What is the process by which a gas changes directly to a solid without passing through the liquid state? Options are A. Melting, B. Sublimation, C. Condensation, D. Freezing. So correct answer for question number 35 is B, that is sublimation. Next question, which of the following materials has the highest density? Wood, styrofoam, iron or cotton? Correct answer for question number 36 is C, that is iron. Which of the following substances has the highest viscosity? Water, honey, alcohol, gasoline. So correct answer for question number 37 is B, honey. Which of the following is not a method of heat transfer? Conduction, convection, radiation or compression? So correct answer for question number 38 is D, compression. What is the SI unit of heat energy? Joule, Newton, watt or Kelvin? Correct answer for question number 39 is A, joule. Which of the following material is a good conductor of heat? So we have four options: wood, plastic, copper or styrofoam. So correct answer for question number 40 is C, that is copper. What happens to the volume of a substance when it expands due to an increase in temperature? It decreases, it remains the same, it becomes zero or it increases. Correct answer for question number 41 is D. Which law states that the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature when the volume is kept constant? So we have four options: Boyle's law, Charles' law, Galois's law, Avogadro's law. So correct answer of question number 42 is C. What is the process by which a substance changes from a gas to a liquid state? That is, we have four options: sublimation, condensation, evaporation or melting. Correct answer is B, condensation. What happens to the density of a substance when it is heated? Options are: it decreases, it remains the same, it increases or it becomes zero. Correct answer for question number 44 is A, it decreases. Which of the following statements about specific heat capacity is true? We have four options and the correct answer of question number 45 is A, that is it is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Which substance has the highest specific heat capacity? We have four options: water, aluminium, iron, or mercury. Correct answer is A, that is water. What happens to the temperature of a substance during a phase change? It increases, it decreases, it remains constant, it fluctuates. Correct answer of question number 47 is C. What is heat? We have four different definitions of heat. So correct answer of question number 48 is D. The measure of the transfer of energy between objects due to a temperature difference. Which of the following is not a method of heat transfer? Conduction, radiation, convection, or compression? So answer is D, that is compression. What happens to the temperature of a substance when heat is added to it? It increases, it decreases, it remains constant, it becomes zero. Correct answer is A, it increases. Which law states that the heat absorbed or released by a substance during a chemical reaction is constant and independent of the reaction pathway? Newton's law, Joule's law, Hess's law, Charles' law. So correct answer is correct answer of question number 51 is C, that is Hess's law. What happens to the volume of a substance when it expands due to an increase in temperature? It decreases, it remains the same, it becomes zero, it increases. Correct answer is D, it increases. Which of the following statements about specific heat capacity is true? We have different four options, and option number A is correct. It is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Which substance has the highest specific heat capacity? Water, aluminium, iron, mercury. Correct answer is A, that is water. What happens to the temperature of a substance during a phase change? It increases, it decreases, it remains constant, it fluctuates. Correct answer is C, that is it remains constant. Heat transferred by conduction occurs primarily in which type of materials? Solids, liquids, gases, plasma. Correct answer is A, that is solids. Which of the following statements about convection is true? Options, we have four options, and the correct answer of question number 57 is D, that is convection involves the movement of heated particles in a fluid. Heat transfer by radiation occurs through A, direct contact between objects, the movement of particles in a fluid, electromagnetic waves, the collision of particles in a solid. Correct answer is C, that is electromagnetic. Which material is the best emitter of thermal radiation? Shiny metallic surface, dual black surface, glass surface, or plastic surface? Correct answer is B, that is dull black surface. In which of the following processes does heat transfer occurs without the involvement of any material medium? So options are convection, radiation, advection, and the correct answer is C, that is radiation. Which of the following material is the best insulator? That is metal, water, air, or copper. So question number answer of question number 61 is C, that is air. Which of the following statements about heat transfer is true? Heat always flows from a cooler object to a warmer object. Heat flows spontaneously from a colder region to a hotter region. Heat transfer occurs only in solids. Heat transfer is not affected by the surface area of the object involved. Correct answer is B. What is the primary mechanism of heat transfer in a vacuum? Conduction, convection, or radiation or advection? So correct answer of question number 63 is C. What does Pascal's law state? We have different four definitions of Pascal law, and the correct answer of question number 64 is C, that is pressure applies to a fluid is transmitted undimensioned to all parts of the fluid and the walls of its container. Which of the following devices utilizes Pascal's law? Barometer, hydraulic press, thermometer, or venturimeter? Correct answer of 65 is B, hydraulic press. According to Archimedes' principle, what happens to the buoyant force when an object is partially submerged in a fluid? It decreases, it increases, it remains constant, it becomes zero. So correct answer of 66 is C, it remains constant. An object will float in a fluid if it's, here we have four different options, and correct answer is A. What is specific heat capacity? Again we have four different definition of heat capacity, and the correct answer of question number 68 is A, the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of a unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Which substance has the highest specific heat capacity? Water, aluminium, iron, or copper? So correct answer is A, that is water. What is thermal conductivity? Again we have four definitions, and the correct definition is C, that is the ability of a material to conduct heat. Which material typically has the lowest thermal conductivity? Copper, aluminium, glass, steel. So correct answer is C, that is glass.